Hello students, welcome back to your IT class. In previous class we discussed about list in HTML that are two types, ordered list and unordered list. Now we will cover our topic nesting list. Embedding one object in another object is of the same type is known as nesting. A powerful feature of list in HTML is their ability to be nested. Every list can be placed within another list. In simple language we can say list within list, known as nesting list. Okay, for example, you can place an ordered list within an unordered list. Got it? You can see a program of this nesting list here. Head, HTML head, title close, and in this one list is this here. One list is this and another one is this. Okay, and the output of this is what here. First list is what? Wash cloth, prepare lunch, go to market. This list, and the sub list is go to market and buy milk, bread, tomatoes, egg. Okay, and another is this. So you can check here, A, B, C mentioned, that is ordered list, and these are given this, that is unordered list. Okay, clear? Next is description list. A description list is a list of items with their descriptions. For example, as in glossary, the description list in HTML is created using DL tag. As we know, ordered list created with the help of OL tag, unordered list UL tag. Now description list, which help us to describe the terms or which help us to define the particular titles, we can use here description list, DL tag. It involves two block level elements, the definition list term marked by DT tag and a definition description element specified the DD tag. The DL tag is used in conjunction with DT term names and DD describe each term tags. So here you can check example of the description list, that is HTML head, title, style, color given DT, the term color is red and description color is green, style close, head tag close, body tag started, heading given here words and their meanings. Means we in list we mentioned the word meanings. Okay, so the first word is what? Dretch, which contain in DT tag. In DT tag we give term and DD tag we describe the term, that is in green color. Okay, so DD dretch, DT dretch and DD wet thoroughly. Again DT stimulate, DD demand on specify, and close, body tag close and HTML tag close. So you can easily understand that if we want to give some definitions or to describe some meanings, we can use here description list. Got it? Next topic is images in HTML. Images are very significant for the present any file or document beautifully. You can easily insert images in your web pages. Some common graphic format like JPEG, PNG and GIF. These JPEG, PNG and GIF are the extensions of images in which versions you can insert your images. Can be inserted in HTML document. Inserting images. For insert image we use here insert IMG tag. Okay, IMG tag used to insert an image HTML document. Various attributes are used with the IMG tag to specify alignment, border, height, width and so on. Some of the attributes are listed here. These are the attributes which specify that our image contain how many how many features to edit them. That first is SRC, source. Source specifies the URL of image. URL means the address where your image is located in your system or your disk. Okay, Width, it specify the width of the image. The value of URL is in URL form. Value of width and height is in pixel form. You can see here the example, 100 pixel width in 100 pixel, height in 60 pixel. These are pixels. Okay. Alt, it specify alternate text for an image. If our image is not found by the system, then it specifies that alternate method, that is test image or any other flower or any other. It's our choice what we want to show if our image will not display on the screen. Okay, you can see here an example, doc type HTML, head, title close, style close, head, body. This is the address of source. Contain, first is image tag, then source contain the address of the image, then height contain 200 pixel, width contain 300 pixel. Okay, this is complete the modification of image, and the result of your image is here. Okay, so this is the complete chapter. Our chapter is completed now. If you want to ask any query, you can ask from me, and if you are facing any kind of problem, you can, if you don't know what is ordered unordered list, you can check my previous videos in my on my channel. So read this chapter carefully and try to do practically it on your system. Okay, thank you.